Hey, welcome to the Sound Studies YouTube channel. Today we're going to do Good As You by Kane Brown. Super cool electric guitar song. You can play it on acoustic as well. This is how it sounds. Yeah. So if you're playing it on electric, the tone is part of the sound. So what I've got here, I've got my Kemper, which is an amp profiler. And I've got, here's what the dry signal sounds. So this is just my guitar going into the amp. So I've got a little reverb on it that kind of just slaps on for a little bit. It's very short, just to give it a little width and kind of that slap. You could probably use a slap delay as well, but I've got reverb. Yeah, and then to give it that extra little flavor, got a quick tremolo. Sounds like that. So here's all the tone together. So to play this song, we're going to be using bar chords. Now bar chords are just a shape or a fingering that can be moved around. And there's a major version, this one, and then there's a minor version. You just move your middle finger. So all that is an E major chord, and then if you move that up a fret and bar across the first fret with your first finger, that's an F major chord. It's a bar chord. And you can move that shape anywhere. Same goes with an E minor. E minor, scoot that up a fret, bar over the first fret. I like to support with my middle finger. So then you can move that shape around, and we got bar chords. So our first chord, it's going to be up on the 4th fret. It's an A flat major bar chord. So you got your first finger barring across, second finger on the G string on the 5th fret, third finger on the A string on the 6th fret, and pinky on the D string on the 6th fret. So then on your right hand, you can play this with a pick. I'm going to do fingers just because I like the tone that I can get. But I'm going to pluck the E string with my thumb, and then my first finger and second finger and third finger are going across the G, B, and E string. So I'm going to go thumb and then a short pluck with those, and I'm going to kind of release tension down here with my left hand. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then the same rhythm, but you're going to scoot up 2 frets now and go to that minor shape. So you'll remove your middle finger. So those 2 chords again. And now we move up 3 frets up to this final dot on the 9th fret, and we got a major chord. And we're just going to do thumb pluck with our first, second, and third. And now this section. So now we're going to take our first finger and put it on the G string on the 8th fret, and our second finger on the B string 9th fret. And you'll pluck both of those with your middle finger and ring finger, and you'll hammer on with your third on the 10th fret of the G string. And then you'll bar across the D string and the G string on the 8th fret, and pluck. You'll move your fingers up a string set, and you'll have your middle finger on the D string and your ring finger on the G string, and you'll hammer on to the D string. So that section again. So all the way up to there, we got. then we're going to land back on that first chord. So on the 4th fret. And you'll just do thumb, pluck. And then we have a little riff here. So you can leave your middle finger, you can leave your first finger, you can even leave your second finger. I like to get it out of the way, but whatever works. And you just take your pinky and you'll pluck the G string. So your 3rd finger's still on the G string on the 5th fret. And you'll hammer on with your pinky onto the 6th fret. And then you'll pluck with your 3rd finger on your right hand this note that your 1st finger's getting on the 4th fret of the B string. So, and then you'll reverse that. So G, pull off to this finger. And then you'll pluck the D string with your pinky back on the 6th fret. So that section. So the whole thing. And repeats. Cool, thanks for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, subscribe to our channel. We'll put out new videos soon. Thanks.